morning. It's my Jeep update for Monday, January 3rd, 2022. Yeah, I'm just doing a little work before I can get back into any serious items. I've got a lot of cleanup. I'm working on my timing cover, where the timing cover gaskets, and trying to get the old gasket off here. There's a lot of work. That stuff's on there I've been working on. I still got a few places that I got to get, like there's a couple places in tight areas I got to get. Over here, I got my timing cover itself is pretty well. I got a few places on it. I'm going to be painting this. I still got some grease down in there in those areas. But I'm going to paint this, and I got to get my seal. Get the seal in. Anyway, that's a quick update. See, I'm using these brushes like this, and this one here is working pretty good. Anyway, I like that. So anyway, that's an update. I'll get back with you later. My As you can see in these close-ups, I still have a little bit of gasket to get off the surface of the engine block. And the cover is about ready. It's pretty well clean. Short video. Yeah, like I said earlier, just clean up today, probably tomorrow. I still got a little touch up on that cover. Get that, I got most of it, probably about 95% of the gasket off. And I'm got a couple of little spots, they're hard to see. And over here, I got a few areas that I've still got to get to. And I'm not sure about this down here, this gasket. I got to find out about that. I know it is part of the oil pan. I don't know if I'm supposed to replace that or not. But I gotta do some research on that before this goes back together, and I may have to take that off to be able to clean up everything properly. Anyway, update my Jeep out. And just remember on this cover, be careful with the abrasives and these brushes while cleaning the gasket off, and try not to damage that aluminum cover. I had a hard time trying to remove the old gasket from the engine block and the cover. And here you'll see that I painted the water pump pulley, idler pulley, and the cover. And good morning. My Jeep update. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning, Tuesday, January 4th, 2022. I'm not doing much today. I've got a doctor's appointment. I got to get ready for it in a couple hours, but I am going to do a little painting. Get this timing chain cover painted and get my seal in. Anyway, it's just a quick update, and my Jeep out. It's my Jeep update. Just a few minutes later. And since the last update, and I did a little bit of painting the cover and the pulleys. There's not much to it. That's probably about all I'm going to do until I get back. And I've got everything pretty well cleaned up. Old gaskets off. I used some degreaser and clean the front of the engine block, and getting everything prepared for the timing chain to go on, and hope that comes out well, and a harmonic and balancer. Hope the engine don't come apart when I start it up after I get it all back together. We'll see. And that's my Jeep out. This is a quick update, my Jeep. Still Tuesday, January 4th, 2022. Just a quick update here. I decided to change the color. I went to gray on the timing chain cover. And Well, I had a little room. I did a little redneck painting in here. You can't really see it, but I thought I'd do a little. I did some cleaning yesterday, and so today you can't really see a whole lot. Still got a lot more to do up here, and yeah, just doing some touch up to where I can get it down there and here and there. And looking at the motor mounts, they didn't look too good. And as I was saying, the motor mounts don't look too good. Let me see if I can get a real close up. Anyway, I see a lot of cracks. They feel pretty hard, but I don't know. This would be the time to change them out, but I got so much other work. What I might do, if I think I can get by, is spray some rubber conditioner on them and then let them go for now. We'll see. That's something I'll make a decision. I may go ahead while I got a lot of these components out, go ahead and change them. We'll see. Let me go over here and check this other one. And here's the driver's side. It's in the same condition. See cracks, and I see what appears. I can't really tell what I'm looking at right now, but maybe I'll see it in the video later. But I thought I saw a hump missing out on one of them, and I'm sure the transmission mount is probably about the same shape. But anyway, yeah, there goes that anyway. I'm going to be thinking about this, doing research on them, because there's a lot of space now in here right now. And I may go ahead and do it. We'll see, and that's an update for my Jeep. We'll be back with you soon. It's my Jeep. This video is starting to get a little bit long, approaching 8 minutes, 8.5 minutes, so I think I'll end it here and post it. There's probably going to be about 3 more parts to installing this timing chain, harmonic balancer, and the other components associated with it. So anyway, I'll keep you updated, and please subscribe and share the channel.